crack this CISA exam, mainly we need to concentrate on the concept. Okay, concept. Once you are clear about the concepts, then only you can clear this exam. Then see, questionnaire and mock test, these are also helpful parallelly. But if once you are clear on the concepts only, you can be able to clear. Actually, why I'm giving this statement, after 8 revisions. Okay, 8 revisions only I have started attempting these questions, right? So first, by initial paper test, everything I felt very, very difficult. So I felt like after 8 revisions, I understood the complete concepts. Okay, though I couldn't able to clear the pocket test exam correct answers. So once I started these things by applying, I mean, sort of how ISACA mindset, how the ISACA is thinking to handle this difficult situations. If you turn your judgment as per ISACA mindset, then you can able to clear this exam. That is the
Uh,
main thing I want to say.
Thank you so much for sharing your detailed journey. Just one question I would like to add. Maybe we can keep this in between.
Mhm.
Also, do you feel that now you are certified holder? Now this certification is I mean it is helpful for you in your career journey. I know right now you are in this GRC background. You are in that role, so definitely it will help you. But still, will you be advising or recommending this certification to others who are in this area? Maybe they are from IT background, they might not be from the IT background, but who wish to be in this position, or who are currently in your area, whether you would recommend people to go for this certification.
Yeah. Yes, definitely. I will advise so many my peers and my colleagues to do this certification. Why? Because uh, my complete experience is completely related to the science background and related to the GXP area regulations. Okay. Now. After this IT complete integration into all the business areas, IT is a mandatory sector. We need to explore a little more knowledge. So as a compliance guy, as an auditor, I can able to in a position to convince the technical guys about these regulations and all. Okay, how much amount of documentation is required in the GXP areas, and once I got to know the about the concepts of this IT knowledge, then only I can convince them. So then only I can understand what they are saying is correct or not, whether I am giving the correct decision or not in the auditing or whatever the compliance areas. So so many, so many pieces. I mean, my same kind of profile employees, they have to learn these concepts